Hello everyone, this is Vahita from CS Department of Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. I'm here to discuss a few topics of the subject CS 3352 Foundations of Data Science. In this video, we are going to discuss some topics about the data science process overview, the defining the research goals, and retrieving data. First, let us see about the overview of data science process. The typical data science process consists of 6 steps as shown in the figure. The first step of this process is setting a research goal. That is, the main purpose here is to make sure that all the stakeholders understand of what, how, and why of the project. The second phase is the data retrieval. The data is required for analysis, so this step includes finding the suitable data and getting access to the data from the data owner. The third step is the data preparation, that is, this includes transforming the data from a raw form into the data that is directly usable to this model. To achieve this, the detect and correct different kinds of errors in this data, combine the data from different sources and transform it. The fourth step is data exploration. The goal of this step is to gain a deep understanding of the data, look for patterns, correlations, deviations based on visual and descriptive techniques. The fifth step is data modeling. That is, it is now that we attempt to gain the insights or make the predictions stated in a project charter. The last step of the data science model is presenting the results and automating the analysis if needed. So once the goal of the project is to change a process and or make better decisions, the importance of this step is more apparent in projects on the strategic and tactical level. The project starts by understanding the what, the why, and how of the project as shown in the figure. So this is the data science process, and we are first setting the research goal, that is for what we are using the project and why we are using the project and how our project is going to proceed. For that, we are going to define some research goals, that is, spend time understanding the goals and context of your research. So this is an essential outcome in the research goal that states the purpose of your assignment in a clear and focused manner. Then create a project charter. A project charter requires a teamwork, and the inputs should cover the following: a clear research goal, the project mission and context, how to perform analysis, what resources are expected to use, proof that it's an achievable project or proof of concepts, deliverables and a measure of success, a timeline that the client can use this information to make an estimation of the project cost and the data and people required for the project to become a success. Now about retrieving data. The next step of data science is to retrieve the required data as shown in the figure. So retrieving the data includes in the internal data and the external data retrieval. Sometimes there is a need to go into the field and design a data collection process. That is, first we are going to start with the data that is stored within the company, that is the internal data. The first step is to access the relevance and quality of the data that is readily available within the company. Most companies have a program for maintaining the key data. So much of the cleaning work may be already done. A data mart is a subset of the data warehouse and geared towards the serving a specific business unit. While data warehouses and data marts are home to pre-processed data, data lakes contain the data in its natural or raw format. Now, don't be afraid to shop around, that is the external data. So if the data isn't available inside your organization, we look outside for the organization's walls. So many companies specialize in collecting the valuable information. Other companies provide the data so that you in turn can enrich their services and ecosystem. Such is the case with Twitter, LinkedIn, and the Facebook. Then do data quality checks to prevent the problems. A good portion of the project time should be spent on doing the data correction and cleansing. The retrieval of data is the first time we'll inspect the data in the data science process. Most of the errors encountered during the data gathering phase are easy to spot. Thank you.